ko pa Janani Luwum gi ki jomo kene weng ma miru nego gi yo me align.
Not only Luwum, then Chiwanuka, all those people who have been killed by those criminals.
Wachulo ko pa Janani Luwum Benedicto Kiwanuka ki jomo kene weng ma ki nego gi kita ki nego ko Janani Luwum.
They thought they would succeed, but I'm glad we took part in making sure that they failed.
Lonego no gutamoni give chobu mirigi.
So we are now here celebrating his sacrifice.
Tindong wanotika kwero diere pa Janani Luwum.
And as you heard, the plans are underway to build a nice center here to commemorate his contribution, but also develop this area.
Winyu ki itwu yop mabejo matye pe don kaberuman chalo kaberumeni po pe diere pa Janani Luwum.
And as you heard the minister telling you, they are doing their master plan. Once it is ready, they will tell us the cost, and we start. We start in any way possible.
Winyu lok pa minister ma ethics jami weng meno kwano kore ke kore teke dong wano no chena di me mete wano bicha oti chot.
But of course you know we shall do it, because we have done Namugongo for the Catholics, we have done Namugongo for the Protestants, we have done Munyonyo. We always can't fail, we shall manage. All these leaders, even now, the ones who try to manipulate, to intimidate, you are really like Amins.
Do amiro cheko un dano weng ma unu ni un lutera ma dio dana dia o kwalo kui o ronyo dano un weng kidwu roma ke kiramin.
Here I have got good testimony here.
Amiro moko chaden tin kamana ti yeni.
In many elections, northern Uganda was not voting for us.
Paul kuyo weng kumalme Uganda no makwak pegibola kui.
I think at one time we were getting 12%.
Kawi upo no ka kui dong duong no kai kom kui mia jel no gwa no apari o keken.
In 2011 it went up a bit. It was much better that time.
Mwagali bario kapara chel kui na olo mede manonok.
But NRM continued working for northern Uganda, whether they voted for us or they didn't vote for us.
And to one machalo NRM pe waberu nyap wa mede ke teach piluak me kumalme Uganda karibedu no pegi boli wakui.
March tie
owinyo eno electricity.
So we brought electricity all the way from Lira up to here.
Wakubu match me wakilira o wakany kama wano tiye.
Because when the NRM electricity was ending in Lira,
karma wano bini lodge o no match electricity git ko lira.
Whether the people voted for us or they didn't, no, you take the electricity.
Wano wache kari kiboli wakui unyope kiboli wakui wangua wabetero match.
Schools,
Gangkwan,
health centers,
Otyat,
water,
P.
That's how we were able to eliminate guinea worm here in northern Uganda, because it was coming through water from swamps.
Mena ye kito weko walwenyo kwere kum tuo cho enu piano no tuo ni aki kum piman maberi togoni.
Both the Bible and the political strategy guides that persuading people is better than imposing yourself on them.
Bible waki penchik ben weng kikita wan ko ben junro ni pe mieri rida ni tero luak ento mieri lok tamgi kunai loko kwet gi mot weko ye telani.
In the Bible, it says, "Let your light so shine before men, that they see your good deeds and praise your Father who is in heaven."
Bible waju kamaleng ni kita ini kwa kwere ene mior wek dano nen be kiri yen enuni ena ye wek luak bifoyo rod la chwech piri.
Influence people, persuade people by doing good things which they see and appreciate.
Lok tampa luak ke teach ma be wek dano for teach ma megi.
And as youth, we are trying to move people like Obote, like Kenyatta, like Mwalimu Nyerere, like Kaunda, to move on those fronts, liberation and integration.
Don wan machalo buli kare nune, no watika deo lutela maguteki nyimwa chalo bore Kenneth Kaunda, Nyerere gi, wek gen bene uripching wek lobome Africa wen onong lodge ken.
Then on a Monday 25th, when we are going to work, oh, we want to go to work, there is some problem.
Doin in the period beach, me do my chel, any more appear beer where chele. No, I think you pay me cherkati, chiki wine, per money, pay cheta teach.
I was staying in Chireka, the housing just says there.
I don't know, a berry kireka, or no orimogoma party kono.
So we sat in the houses, and then at around 3, they announced that Amin had become president of Uganda.
Don't want to know what you can do, and Kireka, Chabungwen Motiano, Wando when you lock me, Amin, I don't tell a man, me Uganda.
So I got in a car and went, we called our group of student leaders.
Donny Mutaha, Agor, Luwara, Mount One, Lieutenant Kwan Kachel Kwetki.
And went to Bugorobi.
Chiwachero Bugorobi.
In the house of Yona Kanyomozi.
Bugorobi wachere ganga Yona Kanyomozi.
And we said we are not going to accept Amin.
Wamoko tamwala wachel ni kari ningo. Pewa biye ni Amina yela tela wa.
You Museveni, you go, and we start the resistance against Amin.
Dong an kachoke wani uchwala ni andong miratel wi joma bicha o jemo
so the following day, the 26th of January, I went to the bank, got money, and we left with 4 others on the 27th to enter Tanzania.
Oruone chot nendo piriwa bichel achere bank agamu chene moma no nendo piriwa biro atugi donyo o Tanzania chot.
Not chente manok, I had chente madit.
La diro wachini agamu chene madit.
So Amin never ruled me. He ruled me only for a few hours of 25. And the whole of 26th, that was the end. I was never ruled by Idi Amin.
Do amiti wun magor kanyo niango ni anger Amin po bedula tela na. Kao bedula tela jo tela uya. Ni kar mo mano nok chawa mano nok. Ni ndo piriwa beach kidong ni ndo piriwa bichel. Ni ndo piriwa.
Very good. So we are here to ashame the devil.
Wano gore kain wekle wiju makchatan.
The devil who was operating in people like Idi Amin.
En chatan maono tiu kidano chala min gini.
Amin made many mistakes.
Aminu timbala Paul.
First of all, he imposed himself on us as a leader.
Me achel oridete te ni bedla tela wakuno wano degi.
I was in the president's office that time.
Karenu no anati office paladir lobo.
As a research assistant.
I don't know an la konko la kwet.
And Amin used to come and we would talk there outside the office.
Aminu no wera kenyo bino chungwa ho chiwa winyu loke bene.
When he would be coming from meeting your body.
ono bino no a karwate ki president Bore.
And we were busy with serious programs. We had, of course, had differences with Obote, but this was now, we were trying to manage those differences.
Wano no watiga teacher Paul, karipedu no kine mukene tamo perwate ki Obore, ento no watiga tote meneno ni olo winyo betie kinwa. Po beloyo wa pien wununge ni dong watimu namugongo, pi katoli watimu namugongo, pi protanti watimu in munyonyo bene, man miro bedla nyut majinyo chwinyu ni wabechako ticheni dok wabechobo.
I'm surprised to hear that there are still cattle rustling in East Acholi.
Awinyu ki umada ni ojong futika yelo Acholi makunyao.
I'm going to take interest, and as you remember when we met in Baruli some years ago, we were able to we shall get solutions. There's no reason why that thing cannot be completely ended.
Ana bekeme ki pero enoni tuoni dong wachako nyero abekeme kwere yate wangunonge.
I have already thanked the people of northern Uganda for Queer Mabel for voting well.
And for a war